Alright guys, we are back. I spent the last 3 or 4 weeks up in Sydney, or down in Sydney, and haven't filmed anything. Blue skies here. We're here at the Daintree River. Try catch some barramundi. Apparently the local barra farm flooded. All the barras are now in the river. So we'll try our luck. See if we can get Christine a barra. What do you reckon?
Let's do it.
Let's go. That there is the Daintree ferry. It obviously takes the cars and your boat from one side of the river across to the other. And the ferry actually runs on big cables, and the cables lay down across the bottom of the river. So you've got to be careful when you cross it, you don't hit the cables. That would not be ideal. Alright, so we pulled up here. I don't know, a few snags and whatnot around. Figured have a few flicks into this little area. Hopefully might get something. It's quite deep, 10 meters deep. So yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't even thinking and I packed the wrong rod. I packed some cheap little shit thing. So I've got this, fuck, I don't even know what this thing is, but it's tiny. See what happens. Christine's just going to sit there and tan. Hopefully, it'd be nice to catch a fish. But I'm not too sure what'll happen. We got rid of the soft plastic. We've put this bad boy on. We'll have a few little flicks up this little creek and see if we got anything in here. We've had no bites, nothing. So fingers crossed, something happens. Look how perfect this area looks. Like surely you'd think there'd have to be fish under that log, under that coconut tree, and all the snags there. You'd think there'd have to be something, but we're just getting no bites whatsoever. There would have to just be one massive croc in here somewhere. Had no luck. It is now raining. I load the boat up, tie it down, and the plan is, what's the plan? We're going to go stay at PK's at Cape Trib tonight. We've got a cabin there. Got some mates coming up, Berg and Talia. Tomorrow morning, go explore around Cape Trib. I couldn't think, I've got a bit of a mind blank. Explore around Cape Trib, and maybe at lunchtime put the boat back in and cruise around, try to find some crocodiles, and have another crack at catching some fish. Fingers crossed. See you in the morning. Alright, just woken up. Gonna go grab some breakfast and hopefully it doesn't rain. As you can see, it is not the best looking day. We're going to go look at Blue Hole. Alright, so I might go check out Blue Hole and see what happens.
It's a bit of a bush adventure to get in here, I can tell you that much. We've had a fair bit of rain last night, so that's why everything's a little bit wet and overgrown and a bit muddy. Not looking forward to cleaning the car after this one.
Oh, Blue Hole is not blue whatsoever. Blue Hole is brown.
Yeah. Blue Hole is brown.
I'm no expert, but that definitely looks like they could be cropping out. That looks very croppy.
Ring.
That is not how it used to look.
No.
Come for our little adventure and our journey to the Blue Hole, the sacred Blue Hole up here at Cape Trib, and as you can see, it's not really that blue, but this is due to all the runoff from the rain and whatnot. But Tom might throw in here some previous photos of the Blue Hole because it is stunning when it's in its form. She's a bit murky at the moment. Yeah, squad, over them trees.
Over the trees.
Well done.
Oh, I'm scared.
Be careful.
Help.
Oh, well done. Tell you what, if you had your Crocs, you could have done it on your own. Oh!
I don't know how, but somehow Ferg decided we're gonna book horse riding. So we're going horse riding here on the beach. I'm scared of horses. Where are you taking us, Ferg?
Mate, here we are at Cape Tribulation Horses. Gonna go and have a shot at riding a horse on a beach, see how we go. What have we got? I've got Jerry. Oh no, wait, that's Talia's. What's mine?
Yours is Wilson.
Wilson, that's it, I've got Wilson. Woo! How good.
Dr. Fox here.
Mate, just an incredible experience, mate. You know, horse on the beach, just all through the rainforest. Highly recommended to anyone.
Alright, so this is the ice cream place. They grow all these exotic fruits and make ice cream out of it. So we'll pull up, have a suss and see, give it an honest rating.
And the taste is like butterscotch.
Butterscotch,
and then,
yeah.
And then you have bottle seed. This one is Australian, and the taste is more or less like roasted hazelnut, or some people say mocha coffee.
Ooh.
Guys, so we've got passion fruit, chipotle, and some mottled seeds. So put it to the taste test. Let's see if it's worth it. Fruit one is probably a 9. The what was that one called?
It's sour or something.
The sour is horrible. Maybe a 2. And then the wattle one. What is it? Wattle
seed.
wattle seed. Let's go an 8.
What about the coconut?
Coconut's a 10.
Alright, that's the honest Christine rating. If she rates it, must be good. Alright, we're going to go back to the Daintree River, cross the ferry, put the boat in, and see if we can find some crocodiles. See ya at the ferry.
Okay, little baby one.
Baby one.
Oh, we should probably try and flip that.
Oh well, at least we caught one fish. Might have taken us, what, day and a half?
Day and a half, nice little mangrove jack. Really good eating, but not at that size.
Where is my boys? Easy as that, yeah.
Man, I wish he was just a little bit bigger and we could have had him for dinner.
Alright, we just pulled up at this little hut. Obviously, a few months ago, when all the Cyclone Jasper came here, everything flooded real bad. Woodjall flooded, Bloomfield flooded. This house is like right on the edge of the Daintree River.
Pretty cool, eh?
Pretty cool just to...
So I think they usually use it as like weekenders, or they come and bring their families and go crabbing. So we're not going to touch anything, we're just having a bit of a look around.
Yeah, obviously people, the land is probably public land, but you know, fishermen and the local families probably come, bring their stuff here by a boat, and you know, they set up, build little weekenders. So you don't want to disrespect them and, you know, touch any of their stuff, but it's interesting to have a look.
It's an old... I tell you what, but a lot of broken bottles and stuff.
Yeah, it's annoying because I don't have shoes on.
We should go straight on the back of the boat, man.
Alright guys, that is basically it. We didn't catch barely any fish, so calling it a day. I'm gonna drive back up home to Mariba and see what we end up doing tomorrow. But for now, that is it. See you next time.
See you guys.